Hello children, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are good and you are enjoying study also. Yes, you are learning through Google Classroom, teachers are teaching, you are seeing videos also. So, today I am going to teach you one song that is a prayer song. We should thankful to God for everything, no? So, you join your hands, close your eyes and sing with me. But for that you have to look here also. So you open your eyes but you join your hands, okay? Thank you God for the world so sweet, world so sweet, world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat, food we eat, food we eat. Thank you God for the birds that sing, birds that sing, birds that sing. And thank you God for everything. Yes, God has given us everything. No, yes, you are living in a good house. You're living with your parents. They are also very good. Yet they are taking very good care of you. You have enough food to eat. Yes, so we should be thankful to God. So daily once in a day you should pray to God. Yes, children. Okay, so we will learn to write small cursive alphabets. We have already completed some alphabets of small cursive, but today I am going to teach you some more alphabets of small cursive. So today we will learn to write small cursive G, small cursive Q, small cursive E and small cursive I. Yes children, you are knowing C, A, O and D and all. Yes. So it is easy for you to write these alphabets also. So you open your 4-line notebook, take out your pencil. If you are not habituated write with pencil, you can use crayons also. Yes. So be ready. Yes. First we will learn to write small cursive G. G for goat and G for grapes. Yes. So how to write G? Just see here. First we will make a slant line. It starts from the second blue line. Then this, as you are writing C, A, O, this way you make, then you are supposed to go down and do this way. This is small cursive G. In this alphabet we have to go down. Yes, you are writing D. For that you are supposed to touch the up red line. In G you have to go down. Yes children. So you write small cursive G. Okay. This is small cursive G. So you write with me in your notebook and write nicely. This alphabet comes in 3 lines, 2 blue lines and it will go down to the last red line. So this is small cursive G. You have to practice nicely. You are supposed to write one full page of the small cursive G. Now we will learn to write small cursive Q. Q for queen and Q for quilt. Yes, so how to write? See, if you know G, then Q is easier than that. Yes, so first we will make a slant line, then curve, then start a slant line and then you go down, touch the red line and make a slanting line and go up. This is small cursive Q. Which alphabet is this? Small cursive Q. Okay children? So you write with me in your notebooks. Which alphabet is this? Small cursive Q. Yes. Are you writing in your notebooks? Yes. So this is G and this is Q. Now we will write small cursive E. E for elephant. Yes. So how to write E? Look here. First you make a slant line and come out this way. Small cursive E we are supposed to write in only 2 blue lines. So you have to be very careful. This all the alphabets you have to practice nicely, children. You have to write one full page of each alphabet. Okay, this is E. E for elephant and E for egg. Okay, now we will learn to write small cursive I. I for ice cream and I for ice candy. Do you like to eat ice cream and ice candy? Yes, we all like to eat. So how to write that? Just see here. Make a slant line and come out and put the dot on the alphabet here in between these 2 lines, first red line and the first blue line. There you are supposed to put the dot. This is small cursive I. Children, you have to practice this alphabet one full page. Okay, this is small cursive I. Yes, again look here. This is small cursive G, small cursive Q, small cursive E and small cursive I. So children, you please practice these all the alphabets in your notebook at your home, and thank you.